Hey, welcome back to the Whiskey Witch. Welcome this evening. I hope you're all self-distancing and spending lots of time with your beloved family and honestly staying safe out there and washing your hands frequently and do not go out if you don't need to. Tonight we are going to review Knob Creek 12. This is actually just out in my area, even though it's been out since I believe June or July of 2019. It was just available here. So I'm going to get right into it. Ooh, that was a nice pop. All right. Beautiful amber color. I love it. Swirl it around a little bit. Coats the glass nicely. See what we get on the nose. Oh, I'm getting sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Oh, I'm getting a wonderful candied apple. Oh man. Like a fair candied apple, like you pick up at the fair at the vendor stand. Sweet oak. Oh man. Some caramel, obviously, from the candied apple, some cinnamon, a little bit of clove. Just buttery, just beautiful, beautiful nose on this. I can't get beyond that really juicy candied apple nose on it. I'm excited to try this. All right, skål. So right away, I'm getting that cinnamon spice. I'm getting a little bit of punch. Definitely getting some oak. Super, super sweet. Almost buttery, like a melted butter. Oh, and the vanilla all of a sudden just mid-palate, it just hits you. It's like a vanilla bomb, as I would say. It's almost like a creamy vanilla bean ice cream. Absolutely, wow. This is actually delicious. I'm going for another sip. Boy, I'm still getting that candied apple. Man, a beautiful, beautiful creamy vanilla. Sweet oak, buttery, really buttery. It's absolutely delicious. The finish is not as long as I thought it should be. This is 100 proof. The finish is pretty short, to be honest with you. Although, oh God, on the nose and palate, this is a beautiful expression. And this is, if you like butter, you like sweet, you like candy apple, this is definitely going to be for you. All right, I'm going to try this with a little bit of the old limestone mixing water for my friend Michael Nye, Kentucky limestone water. Just going to add a little bit, a couple drops here. See how it opens it up. Let me give that a swirl. Oh, this is incredible. It did knock down the nose a hair. Yeah, I'm losing the candied apple. Still getting a lot of that sweet oak, cinnamon. Definitely changed the palate. I would say I'm getting more butter, less of that. The vanilla has really disappeared. And that's what I liked about this without the water. Drinking it neat was that vanilla, and it was that just creamy vanilla. And it has zero finish. Okay, so to sum this all up, the nose on this is absolutely beautiful. I think neat. The flavors are wonderful. They're fairly complex. I'm getting a lot of flavors I really, really like, but the finish is just not there for me. And it is $60 SRP. And on some markets, I mean, this is like, North Carolina SRP is $60. In some other markets, this might be marked up to $78 or $80. I'm not sure I would pay more than SRP for this. Am I enjoying it? Absolutely. Would I mix this? Absolutely not. But it is a flavor bomb when you don't add water. I think if you want to mix this in a old fashioned or put it on a cube of ice, you're going to be missing out on a lot. And at that point, I'm not really certain it's going to be worth $60. I think it's good. I think there are a lot better out there, but I think this is a good expression. And I'm going to just leave it at that. Again, please hit your like and subscribe button and stay safe out there. Until next time, Whiskey Witch.